What's up everyone, how are you? Welcome back to the channel, the.NI.gamerreacts, back with another video for you, and this time it's 1 in a billion nature moments, a compilation video of, I'm sure, crazy weather and different things like that there. It's going to be good. It's a different type of reaction. I know I've been sort of probably doing the same type of thing, and I have been trying to change. Sometimes I just don't know what to react to, so if you've got anything you want to see me react to, put it in the comment section, maybe along the lines of this. I would appreciate it. But anyway, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the NI Gamer 1985, my gaming channel. But let's head into it, folks, and see these crazy 1 in a billion nature moments. Let's go.
Hello everyone.
Jeez, look at that. My word, is that a volcano? It has to be. Jeez.
You could hear the explosion from 105 miles away,
Can't
and the ash column shot up into the sky for about 15 miles.
Jesus.
This is what the eruption of the volcano Hunga Tonga in Polynesia looks like.
Jesus. That is scary. The hell is that?
Tourists hesitate to drive on because this is something you don't see every day.
Yeah, what the hell is
A
that?
storm made this waterfall in India flow horizontally.
Oh, right. Jeez. It looks like a hurricane or something that have been turning the other way. Jeez, there's no way I wouldn't even go. Yeah, I would just reverse back slowly. Just reverse back or turn. But it is beautiful. Don't be going through it, you madman. Jesus. What is this? Are they moving? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell? Oh, they're definitely moving there. Oh, what's up? Looks like a reindeer or something. Jesus, they must have been freezing.
One sunset. Two sunsets.
What?
And now...
Jesus! Is that a rainbow and all too? What the hell?
What are the odds of capturing something like this on camera?
Jesus. Beautiful though, beautiful, but you would be terrified. Anything that goes wrong with the sky, you're like, whoa. Oh Jesus, is that a sinkhole or something? Get the caravan away, Jesus. I'll be wrecked. That is mental. Jesus. Fucking hell, imagine that was your land. Is that the lava going into the water? Jesus, look at that.
Volcanic eruptions are common in Hawaii, but sights like this are a rare occurrence even there.
That is mad. Look at the black smoke.
A quick example of how incredibly hot it can get in Dubai.
No way. What? Cars melting? You get away from that, that ice is moving. Run. I wouldn't be filming that. I don't know why people film it. I would just be turning the other way and sprinting as fast as I could. It's like day after tomorrow shit.
The light show you're about to witness was actually created by artists, but you'll be amazed by the fantastic result.
Tell you what, it does look good. I love the effects and all of it. On the frog and all, it's class. For a second when it came on, I thought it was actually on flames.
We only see part of the rainbow below, but it actually looks like this.
Jeez. Nah, that's not beautiful. Well, it is if you're far away. Avalanche, get out of the way. I could quickly come over to you. Even one like that can do so much destruction. Run? What's he doing? Well, I don't know if it'll reach him, but I'd be away. I wouldn't be sitting screaming. Look at that. Look like a little dolphins.
It's as if these dolphins are intentionally posing for the perfect video.
It's colossal. Beautiful creatures. They're meant to be very intelligent as well.
You just saw a bowhead whale breathing under the ice.
Oh, was that under the ice? What? Look at all the tumbleweeds. Jeez. How many is there? Jesus Christ. I don't even know where they're all made from. Jesus. That is mental. Is that like hot springs or something? What do you see it? Oh shit!
Welcome to Iceland.
Oh, Iceland.
A mesmerizing and majestic
Beautiful.
scene.
Look at that.
The tide on the Qiantang River in China.
Oh, that's really nice. Such beauty, you know, with nature, but also comes the destruction. Because you don't know if you fall into that river, will the currents be strong? You know, they probably will, but look at that, that is beautiful. It's almost like someone's put it together. It's like an editing project. Beautiful, look at that. It looks like a desert, like a... In a way, you know, you see all the sand dunes. What is this? Is that a tornado? Or a hurricane or something? Could be a tornado, actually. Jesus. Whoa, look at that. It's almost like there's a wizard standing on the top of that mountain going like, that's what I want. That is beautiful. Now look at that. Jesus Christ. What is that, like a sandstorm? Fucking hell. Engulfing everything there. I'd be taking shelter. That's crazy. That is mental. Look at that there as well. My word. Jesus.
This is the perfect place to film the new Mad Max movie.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's actually a great idea.
This is what the door to the underworld looks like. A gas crater that's been burning non-stop for over 50 years.
Jesus. What about if you just pour a load of water into it, like loads?
Can mini tornadoes be scarier than regular tornadoes?
Can they be?
Yes, if they consist of mosquitoes.
Oh,
several of them hit this
shit.
town at once.
Oh, fuck that there. Look at that. No way. I'd be running. Look at that. Just looks like a portal to like the underworld or like a different dimension, you know?
You're looking at Dettifoss,
Jesus.
Europe's most powerful waterfall.
That is mad. What is he doing there? Why would you want to be that close to it? Jeez, look at that. It'll take more than hot water to get... Jesus, man. Cars could be completely ruined there. Jeez, imagine waking up to that. Whoa, shit.
That moment when you truly understand how minuscule we are compared to the vastness of the natural world.
100%, yeah. Whoa, fucking hell. It's a massive, massive wave. That's why I'm scared of the ocean, terrified of it. The hell is that?
Leave a comment below if you have an explanation for this.
It just looks like the sun and the moon together, but shouldn't be like that. Jeez.
If you think hail like this can't happen in real
Jesus.
life, check out this video from Minnesota.
Minnesota? Look at that, they're pelting there. Imagine getting caught in that. You'd go out and play golf. Fucking hell.
Skid me. Oh my god.
Look at them, they're massive. I mean, if one of them hits you in the head, you could be fucking knocked out.
Look at these greens.
Fucking hell, look at them. You get perfect circles. You could throw them at somebody. Not that you'd want to, but... Northern Lights. Or the Aurora.
You can catch a glimpse of the northern lights in various parts of the world, but take a moment to admire their stunning brightness in Lapland.
Beautiful. It's something I'd love to see in real life, definitely on the bucket list. Sometimes you can see them at the top of Scotland, you know, as well. Jesus, look at that. That'd freak me out. I wouldn't be standing in a cornfield, I tell you yet. This is why I'd love if I had enough money.
At this point, the cameraman realised he picked a bad day for fishing.
Right.
Jesus Christ. Run. Fucking run.
You see this? It's coming for you, it's coming for you.
Yep, run like fucking. Turn the other way. Drive. Fuck me.
Due to high winds, this waterfall flows in the opposite direction.
What? That is mental. It looks unreal though, like it looks beautiful.
This pal filmed a whole army of leafcutter ants carrying their leaves.
Jesus. It's a lot of leaves. That's scary as well, like you think like the world's falling down. Or a massive tsunami.
The landscape in Greenland can change in an instant.
Jeez. Oh, that's the cut between the... Is it the Pacific and... Or something, or...
This seems to be the border between two worlds.
Yeah. Two seas. I don't fully know what ones they are, but I know it's the border between them. That is mental. Fucking hell, look at that.
This crystal clear sound is even more remarkable than the river's power.
That is absolutely mental. Jesus, another avalanche. Tell you what, the guy that made this video, and shout out to him, fair play to him. He pick the right songs, like. Jesus.
In the Maldives,
Oh, that's
after
beautiful.
dark, the bioluminescent plankton works its magic, turning the ocean into Pandora from Avatar.
Beautiful, look at that. I'd love to see that in real life. Whoa, look at that, it's like a circle spinning, it's like the ice.
No, aliens have nothing to do with that. Creating this kind of disk relies on a rare alignment of several factors.
Look at that,
the right
beautiful.
temperature, water depth, and movement speed. One of the reasons to visit Patagonia.
Jesus, look at that. It's like a demolition, that. Whoa, are they gonna get soaked? Mad. Look at that, what the fuck is that?
You guys, that's all crickets.
Ah, I'd be freaked right out.
They're cannibals, so they eat the dead ones. Oh my god.
Fucking
This
hell.
is crazy.
Jesus Christ. Man.
And that's just a fraction of the millions of Mormon crickets that have infested Nevada.
Nevada too? Jesus. Now there's the gates of hell there. Jeez. You would not want to fall in there. Fucking hell. Don't know how
If
he's so
hell
close.
does exist, this is probably what it looks like.
The hell was that? Don't know what that was. Nah, that's terrifying. Jesus. You think the world's caving in? Look at that.
A wingspan of 10 feet from tip to tip. Say hello to the Andean condor, the biggest flying bird in the Americas.
Jeez. Look at that. Jesus. Yep, videos like that just remind me of how unpredictable the world is, Mother Nature is, and how scary and devastating it can be. You know, with the likes of when we have been alive, well, when I had been alive, the likes of the tsunami that hit years ago, the likes of hurricanes that have hit the Americas and stuff, and droughts and famines and stuff that you would maybe see in China or in Asia and stuff. You know, honestly, like absolutely mad, you know, volcanic eruptions. It all just reminds you that we are just like specks of dust, not even in the universe and the solar system and all that there. So, but a beautifully well put together video there of some of Mother Nature's like beautiful if you're not anywhere near them. If you can see them from a distance, absolutely beautiful. But folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a wee bit of a different video. I'm trying to do different things. Just running 2 channels right now has been very stressful. I've been trying my best, you know, to get things out there. So I appreciate everybody that watches. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, and check out the the.NI Gamer 1985, my gaming channel. But folks, thank you very much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.